good morning time, good afternoon time, good evening time, whatever the case may be in your part of the world. Now, I know it looks like helter skelter out there, or out here, but I believe I owe some of you guys an explanation because I haven't posted in about 3 or 4 days. And I'll get to that in a second. But anyway, in the meantime, what's happening here is we are kind of growing out of our little tent shop. So I kind of decided to do a little semi-expansion type thing. Now, although my shop is not getting any bigger for the moment, still going to be itsy bitsy, teeny weeny, let's just hope it will be a little more weatherproof. We had a storm come through here the other day, and I realized just how much I wasn't really protected from the rain when the rain started to come in sideways. So as most of you know, I work out of that gazebo in my backyard. So I am upgrading to a new improved one that actually has side coverings and windows that you can close the sides on. And not only that, winter time is coming, so I gotta think about trying to keep some heat up in there if I want to be out here in the winter. So yeah, that's what's going on, fellas. So just understand that everything will return to usual in a bit. Let's see. I know most of you guys don't know I have this little scooter here, and doggone it, old man brain again. I forgot what the ham sandwich this thing is called again. I know it's by Varla Pegasus. The Pegasus, I believe. And I haven't been able to get too much riding out of this thing because I did a deal with it for this Pegasus with if y'all remember Fred was another Zugo like Frank, and yeah, I really like riding this little thing. The only thing is that the calibers were jacked up when I got it. So anyway, finally got around to ordering some new calibers, so we're gonna slap them on there maybe this evening, and that'll be a little short DIY video. But yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, and announcement I don't want to make, but the beast over there is going bye-bye, y'all. I've been struggling with this for the last couple days all by myself, but yeah, man, somebody I probably shouldn't have said that in one of my videos, that everything was for sale, because somebody took me up on that and called trying to buy the beast. And man, you guys know I've been working hard on the beast. I didn't want to sell it. I was just doing my race mods. But man, they want the beast, they want the race mods and all. And not only that, man, they are coming from a long, damn near across the country. So that's all I'm going to say. They want to remain anonymous. I understand that. I'm going to be removing all of my little, crisscrossing wires insignia off of it, and some of the red stuff, but all the racing mods, he wants to keep those. And man, believe it or not, this is this guy's first real e-bike. He had a little, basic e-bike on a Frank type order, Super 73 type order, regular e-bike, but man, the guy said he's been looking at fast e-bikes and trying to figure out how he was going to get one and get it modded and everything. So He figures if he could buy one already modded, there it was. So hey, like I say, man made me an offer I couldn't refuse. So yeah, the beast is going bye-bye, and we're just gonna build another bigger, better, faster one. That's all it is to it. In the meantime, like I said, I got plenty more builds to come. We're going, like I said, we're going to do the moped. We're going to finish that upgrade. We're going to bring Frank back to life. Yeah, he's over there stripped buck naked. As you can see, everything is off of Frank. We're going to redo Frank. We're going to mod that that Hyper Scorpion right there. We're going to finish the lightweight bomber build we were working on, do some things to the dad bike, and I gotta strip the beast down and get him ready to be picked up tomorrow. So anyway, that's it. Take it easy, take care. Y'all know what it is. Crooked Finger Productions, y'all. We out. Deuces.